Hello, everybody. Andrea with Epicure. My Facebook group is Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. So if you haven't joined yet, please do, because I share recipes almost daily, and we just basically talk about clean eating as best as possible. I'm not perfect. I still have a pizza every once in a while, but I definitely feel it when I have a pizza. I tend to get really, really bad allergies. So this is just kind of my journey of trying to eat healthier and being healthier and feeling so much better. But having that said, what I want to show you guys today is our new 2018 kit. So if you've been thinking about being a part of Epicure, now is a great time because our kit is amazing. You get a ton of products for a very good price. So I made a little PowerPoint for you guys actually. So let me show you guys what's included, because the kit contents you can't actually find on the website. So I think they're trying to keep it secret on purpose, so you have to reach out to a consultant to purchase it. So that's just why I thought that I would help you guys with that. So if you guys want to join my Facebook group, again, I do have the link here. If you are just looking to order something, I think it might actually be epicure.com. I think either or is okay, but my website with Epicure is andreatarowski.epicure.com. But let's talk about the business kit. So that's exciting. So I tried to make this picture as large as possible. So sorry if it's kind of blurry. And if you guys have trouble seeing that, just let me know. Feel free to comment below and I can send this to you guys. So the nice thing is, for this whole kit, it's only $175. That's it. When I bought my kit about 6 months ago, it was 200 and something, and I got basically the same thing, give or take a couple things. But this kit's amazing because it's a great kit to get started. I love it, and it's so exciting to kind of open up everything and then go, oh my God, so now I can start to eat healthy, or at least a lot better. You'll be more excited to cook. You'll be more excited to think about what's for dinner. And everybody has to eat, right? So even if you're not thinking about selling Epicure, this kit is amazing to have anyway, because you get so much in it for a better price. So let me talk about what is in the kit. So you will get your own website. So even if you plan to sell or not, they give everybody a website. You get $40 VIP host cards. So within your first 30 days, I believe it is, yes, 30 days, you can give people those cards and say that if you host a party with me, so this is if you are planning to sell, they can have $40 in free products. This helped me so much. When I joined Epicure, I just gave this to all of my friends, family, and they were like, oh my goodness, so I get $40 of free products to spend on seasonings, spices that I want anyway, so I should just help you out and buy a couple things. They buy a couple things and they're hooked, and then they keep on buying more. So these cards are amazing. You get pretty much like catalogs, brochures, free training. It is amazing. You will love it. And this whole kit has pretty much $500 worth of products in it, and you only spend $175. So again, even if you're not planning to sell, this stuff is amazing to kind of get started with your whole healthy eating. So the business aspect, you can see the business supplies here, which I talked about a little bit. But the exciting stuff, so your cooking class essentials, they call it. So if you were planning to sell and host your own cooking classes, I don't have time to host my own cooking classes, so I just pretty much sell online, and whoever wants to order from me can. So all of these things I kept for myself. So you get a 2-in-1 citrus press, 3-onion dip mix, which is so popular. In fact, I probably order my 3-onion dip mix every 3 months or so, because I make dips. I put it on potatoes, on veggies, you name it, everything. You get the 4-in-1 spice spoon, which is so helpful because on one side it's for the tablespoon, and on the other side it is a teaspoon. It is so helpful. The CCB dip mix, which is cheese, chives, and bacon, so good. The chocolate instant pudding mix, which is so good, and a lot less sugar, like a lot less than you see everywhere else. A cruette, you get the cutting mats, you get a ceramic knife, which I love the ceramic knife. I don't even think that they sell the ceramic knife anymore, but I use it for everything. I wish I actually bought another one. You get a brochure, you get lots of those. A funnel, you get the recipe book, which I did bring up here, but I think I forgot it. It must be around here somewhere, but I did bring that up to show you. But I do show you guys the book in another video, so if you haven't seen it yet, be sure to have a look. You get the Good Greek Real Fast kit. You get the Good Mexican Real Fast kit, which is amazing. It includes recipe cards, spices, seasonings, lots of things. So if you know somebody who likes Mexican, that's a great gift to give because it comes like in a nice little gift box. So it's really, really nice. You get the mac and cheese seasoning, the multi-purpose steamer, some samplers. You get some prep bowls, a saute spoon, a square steamer. I love my steamers. I don't use anything else now. I make chicken in my steamer. It takes about 12 minutes in the microwave. That's it, fully cooked. I cook now my potatoes in the microwave. It takes about 5 minutes, fully cooked. It's awesome. Like we have different size steamers. You will want them all, but this one includes the square steamer, which is really, really good. The summer berry dip mix and the veggie twist and spiral slicer. So tons of things, you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I accept team members all the time. So if you would like to sign up with me, let me know, because that is something that I have to do from my back office. You can't just simply sign up. You have to contact a consultant and then they will sign you up. So if you would like to be signed up, let me know, and I am more than happy to help. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.